everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 24 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3074. Apple redistribution into boxes. Very easy problem. So in this problem you are given an array apple of size n and an array capacity of size m, right? Now after this, there are n packs where the ith pack contains I apples, right? So in pack 1 we have 1 apple, in pack 2 we have 3 apples, in pack 3 we have 2 apples, right? Clear? So there are in total n packs where the ith pack contains apple of I apples. Now after that there are m boxes as well, and the ith box has a capacity of I apples. So in this box I can fit 4 apples, in this box I can fit 3 apples, in this box I can fit 1 apple, 5 apples, 2 apple, like this, right? So we have to return the minimum number of boxes you need to select to redistribute these n packs of apples into boxes. Note that apples from the same pack can be distributed into different boxes, right? So from the same pack also we can distribute them in different boxes, right? So here if you see how many total apples I have, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So 6 apples I have in total, right? So only these 6 apples I need to fit right in these boxes, right? Because here it is given, right, the apples from the same pack can be distributed in different boxes, right? So I don't care about which pack it is, right? So in total I have 6 apples, I have to distribute them in the different boxes, right? But we have to return the minimum number of boxes you need to select, right? Minimum number of boxes you need to select to redistribute these n packs of apples into boxes. So minimum boxes, right? So if I need minimum boxes, definitely I will become greedy, right? And I will choose the box which has highest capacity among them, right? Because I need to return the minimum number of boxes, right? So definitely I'm going to pick the bigger box first, right? So among them, bigger is 5, right? So in this box I'm going to fit 5 apples, let's say. Then after that, again I will become greedy, I will choose this box, let's say 4, right? And in this only 1 apple is left, I will fit it. Now I fit all the apples, right? And only 2 boxes I'm using, right? So we have to return the minimum number of boxes, that's why output is 2, right? But if instead of using this 5 and 4, if I use 1 and then let's say I use 2, then I use 3, right? So here I'm using 3 boxes, right? If I pick smaller box capacity, right? So I have to pick the boxes with the highest capacity, right? So I have to be greedy here. So this problem is of greedy type, right? Clear? Same way here, in total we have 15 apples, 5 10 5 15, right? 15 apples I need to fit. So first here I will fit 7, right? Remaining is 8. Then here I will pick 4, add 4. Now remaining is 4, so here I will add 2, then again I will add 2, right? So we will need to use all the boxes, right? All the boxes I need to use, that's it, right? Clear? Right? And here if you see, apple dot length is from 1 to 50, m is nothing but capacity dot length, same 1 to 50. Apples of I capacity of I value is also from 1 to 50, and the input is generated such that it is possible to redistribute packs of apples into the boxes, right? So it result is always possible, right? So very simple, let's write the code, that's it. Okay, so here first you have to just count the total number of apples, right? So here I'm just going to write int total apples, right? Here I will just using enhanced for loop, I will iterate over all the apples I have, right, one by one. So here total apples is equal to total apples plus a. So here I'm just counting the total number of apples. Now once this is done, then I told you that we have to become greedy here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort this. So arrays dot sort this. Okay, so it is going to sort it in increasing order, right? So here we will get 1 2 3 4 5, right? But we have to use the bigger box first, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use the reverse loop, right, for simplicity, right? So here I'm just going to write for int I is equal to capacity dot length, right, and -1 last index I pick, right, and then here I will say I is greater than equal to 0. And also I need to make sure one more thing, that total apples count, right, it should be greater than 0. Only then I'm going to run this, right, otherwise I don't need to run, right, I don't need to select any other box. And here I minus minus I'm doing, right. Now in this I will update what total apples as total apples minus the capacity of that particular box, right, so capacity of I. So now total apples here I have 6, so in this box I fit 5, right, so remaining is 1. 1 is the total apples. It is still not uh, great, it's still not less than or equal to 0, right, so I have to continue this. I have to select next box, right, like this, right, and here count plus plus. So next time I will choose this 4 box. So now total apples is equal to total apples 1 minus 4, so I will get negative -3. So that's it, right, count time incrementing 2 times, and now this case is of false, right, so I have to end the loop, right, and in the end I will simply return count. That's it. That's it. Okay, now let's run it. So see, our solution is empty, right, and now let's submit it. And what is going to be the time complexity? So time complexity is going to be of n log n, because of sorting process that we are doing, right. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. And if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.